Nestled on the serene north arm of Walloon Lake, the Jewel on Bear River Road is less of a house and more of a love letter to northern Michigan craftsmanship. Architecturally, the home is a triumph of the custom craftsman style. This isn't rustic light, it is an authentic post and beam masterpiece. Inside, the texture palette is a tactile playground. Think wormy maple walls and coffered ceilings that make you want to reach out and touch the architecture. It's the kind of craftsmanship that makes standard drywall look like an insult. The main level's soaring ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows invite the lake inside, but the real magic happens in the specialized zones. The lifestyle here is equally curated. One could start the morning in the pro-grade gym and steam shower, spend the afternoon in the 400-bottle temperature-controlled wine cellar, and end the evening in a private English pub or the golf simulator. There is even a lower-level car lift for your favorite vintage vehicle, because why should humans have all the fun? Outside, the 2.2-acre grounds offer 387 feet of pristine frontage, featuring a rare, grandfathered two-well boathouse and a gazebo perched right over the water. Whether you're hosting guests in the private apartment or enjoying a quiet moment under the grand pergola, the estate balances up-north relaxation with unparalleled elegance. It's a rare Michigan gem that manages to be sprawling yet intimate.